Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today I got a quick unboxing for you guys. And the reason it's so quick is because about 30 minutes ago I started filming this, got a phone call and had to abort. So, this guy's been sitting here for, well, 20, 30 minutes now, wide open, ready to go. Let's get into it. WE knife. I definitely know what this guy is. Oh, sweet. Awesome. Thanks, brother. Ooh, I lost that one. I love that design. Very nice. Thank you, thank you. If I am, yep. This here is the WE Kitefin. I gotta say, that's a pretty looking knife. I love that milling on there. Some kind of circular pattern. Pretty trippy looking. Yeah, I don't know if that's like a copper wash maybe. It looks really good. You know, I'm normally not into the brass and copper look. You know, I understand it, but I don't. You know, not really my thing. I have a few things in copper, but or brass and copper actually, but I don't really carry it that much. Not really my style, I guess. But I gotta say, this thing's really, really nice. Looks like the hardware's been bronzed. It's a nice look. You can see the flamed clip actually has milling right there on those three little circles. Kind of gives it a little bit extra luster. Kind of brings your eye to the clip more. Frame lock. Yeah, there's a little scratch on it, but that's not bad. That's going to happen with titanium. I mean, you could throw this in your pocket and then put your keys in your pocket or something, or some change, and it will scratch titanium. It's really brittle and scratches quite easily. Anyway, let's check out the action. Oh yeah, very nice. Gotta say, this thing fires off quite well. Detent's good. You don't have to make any stupid hand gestures to get it to come out. I don't think I've ever had a WE or Civivi knife that didn't, so I'm honestly not surprised. There we go. I barely tried to press it right there. Yeah, see? Just barely pressing it. You know, it won't deploy all the way, but, I mean, if you just do it like you're supposed to, then you shouldn't have a problem. Let's see if I can do it slow. Yep. It's possible to have a deployment failure with it, but yeah, not that bad. Let me get a rag here. Wipe this guy off. Alright. She's got a nice little choil there. Swedge going all the way back the spine, all the way to the jimping right there, which jimping is pretty well placed. Yeah, not too well placed for using the choil, but you know, they make up for it for that nice swedge. It's actually, if there's a little choil cut out on the backside, it would really have a perfect spear point shape almost. It's pretty close. But yeah, I gotta say, first impressions, it's a really good looking knife. You know, it's not really my thing, but, you know, that's really not what this is about. You know, it's a great knife. You know, somebody will really, really like this. I mean, I really, really like it, but, you know, it's not really my style. Got a little bit of jimping right there on the flipper tab. The pocket clip is not deep carry, but there's really not much of a reveal. You know, what? Only that little bit will stick up right there, you know, just enough for, you know, in case you put a lanyard on it with a nice copper bead or brass bead or something. That'd be pretty cool with this. You know, I really wasn't a fan of lanyards till recently, but yeah, I'm starting to like them. Yeah, overall, first impressions, great little knife. We'll find out if that's a copper wash or what. Maybe bronze. I don't know. It just looks a little coppery. I'll do some investigating, and when I do the full review on this guy with all the specs and everything, I'll let you guys know what it is. Definitely a sweet blade. Oh yeah, one more thing. Ba-boom. My new EDC tray from Neptune Concealment. I actually just got this in. Where's the card? I just got this in yesterday. And I gotta say, I am thrilled. This is the company, NeptuneConcealment.com. Definitely check them out. This whole thing is made out of double layer Kydex. You know, all this is the red carbon fiber Kydex. You know, it's pressed, and then I imagine it's a pretty cool process. But, I mean, they did an amazing job on it. I absolutely love it. Perfect size, too. It's not too big, not too small. Let's see. Yeah. Still got some room. Let's see. I can reorganize this here. There we go. Still can hold something else. There we go. Ah, almost. Take the beard comb. I'm sure if it didn't have the pistol, I could work the fixed blade in there somewhere. Here, I'll do this. Boom. Check that guy out. He's awesome. But no, I gotta say, first impressions with this tray, it's amazing. Definitely. 2 thumbs up. Neptune Concealment. Check them out. Also, while I got you guys' attention, go over to DTOM Knives and Gear. Right there. That guy right there. Go over there right now. I'll put a link in the description. He is having a raffle for GARRICORE EDC. And the prizes on this raffle are outstanding. You definitely don't want to miss this. So go over there to DTOM Knives and Gear right now and get in on it. I'll put a link in the description again. Follow him, check him out, whatever. But get in on that raffle. You don't want to miss it. If you haven't yet, check me out on Instagram. Like, share, subscribe. Anything you can do to help the channel, be much, much appreciated. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.